guys, Jamie here with SimplicityNow.com, and I want to share my 3 favorite ways to save time inside my Infusionsoft app. A lot of these are set it and forget it features, so once you go through this, then you won't ever have to do it again. The first thing we're going to talk about today is merge defaults. This is actually the key to personalization inside your Infusionsoft account when you're sending emails or sending campaigns, because it's going to allow you to replace those merge fields with something else if the contact record doesn't have anything in that field. For example, how many people are on your list that you only have their email address for and you don't have their first name, but you want to send an email that has the merge default contact.firstname? And when that person receives that email, that is actually blank because they haven't given you their name. Well, not anymore. You can find these by going to the marketing settings and then the template defaults down here. Once we get there, we're going to be in this lower section. We're going to click on the contact link. This is going to open up our merge defaults field, and we're going to choose which one we want to do. You can see here as an example, if somebody doesn't have a first name listed in my Infusionsoft account, then I replace that with friend. Another really great thing you can do is, include the city, state, or country. Maybe instead of how are things going in Alabama or California, it can say in your neck of the woods, for example. This is a great way to personalize your emails without having to lose traction on that if you don't have those particular fields for each contact record. Okay, the next thing we're going to talk about is the branding options in Infusionsoft under the Branding Center. You can find this by navigating to Admin and Branding Center. If you haven't taken time to set up all of your default templates, you are totally missing out. This is going to save you tons of time. Here you can see you have the ability to edit the template for each one of these types of emails inside Infusionsoft. So, for example, if you always send a broadcast email, your newsletter, you can go ahead and create the shell of that here. Every time you click to start a new broadcast, you'll be able to start here with this particular layout, and you won't have to spend time redoing it every single time. You also have the option down below to customize your order form thank you pages. This is also going to save you tons of time, because a lot of times I build out order forms and I just need a basic thank you page. I don't need to link it to anything in particular, especially because I do a lot of customized order forms for clients. So this allows me to save tons of time with each one of those order forms. Now we're going to head over to the Campaign Builder under Marketing and then Campaign Builder. And I'm going to open up one of the campaigns so that we can talk about merge fields and campaign links. So you have this really handy tool in this drop down, and it is called Merge Fields. Now these are similar to your merge fields in the emails, only they are specific to the campaign. So each time you want to say something but you don't want to, or write something but you don't want to write it over and over again, put it in as a merge field by clicking and adding a new one, and then when you go to the email, for example, you can add that campaign merge field right inside the campaign. All you need to do is click on the merge button, scroll all the way down and find your campaign fields box, and here you will have any of the campaign merge fields that you've created specifically for this campaign. So here you can see in this email, we've added the campaign merge field here in the body of the email. When this person actually receives this, it will actually say Facebook there, because that is the field value that we specified. Now let's talk about the links inside the campaign. Similar to the merge fields, these are only applicable to each individual campaign. This is where you can add specific links that you don't want to type over and over again, and it's the same concept. You click to add a link, you name that link, then you add the actual URL and a description to remind you what that specific link is for. Then when you're ready to add that to your email, you do it the same way. Then that will give you the ability to use that in link click goals, etc. for this particular campaign, and it's going to save you tons of time because you won't have to keep rewriting the same information over and over again. So I hope you've enjoyed my top tips for making Infusionsoft work a little bit faster for you and to save you time. If you want to hear more, come check us out at simplicitynow.com and we will see you over there.